I just picked up this 370Z for $5,000. And today, we might actually ruin this car. The car is incredibly mint from the inside to even the outside. But today, that might change. Let me explain. This car has 0 mods and has been untouched since 2009. And today, that is going to change. I'm gonna be honest, this custom mod that I'm doing to the Z might not even work. What I'm planning on doing might actually ruin this car, and there's no going back. I bought this car for one reason, and one reason only. And that's seat time. However, with what I want to do, we might ruin the Z forever. Yes, these are the original seats in the 370Z. While these are clean condition seats, we need to upgrade them. We need something that's gonna hold us and keep us planted while the car is tossing left and right mid-drift. So to fix that issue, we have these bride bucket seats. And in drifting, if you're fighting the seat, you're not learning. But installing these bucket seats into the Z is not the hard part. It's actually how I want to install them that makes it incredibly hard. So I'm not only going to be removing these seats, we're gonna be doing something much cooler. Let me actually explain. I didn't buy any rails to mount these seats. All I have are these $60 brackets that I got off Amazon. These will mount to the side of the bride seats, but we'll have nothing to mount into the car. But I have an idea. There's actually something special about these seats. These seats are actually motorized. Today, I'm gonna be attempting to install my bucket seats with motorized rails from the 370Z. This may or may not work, but I'm willing to risk it all. There's no going back. And if we're gonna do something dumb, we might as well make a smart decision. We're gonna start off with the passenger seat. Because if we mess up, we can still drive the car. If we do the driver's seat, and then we're cooked. The first seat is out. Now it's time to start breaking this thing down. And just like that, we have ourselves some motorized seat rails. Now the next question is, will this work without the original seat hooked up? We have everything hooked up. Are you ready? Oh my freaking God. It freaking works. Depending on what happens next, we might actually have motorized moving bride seats. Guys, we might be onto something here. I've never seen anyone do this. At least no one that I know of. I just did a little bit of research and I saw that these rails look very similar to the bride ones. Rails are mounted up to the bride seat, exactly how I want them to sit. Now you're probably wondering, Randy, how are you gonna get these to sit on those perfectly? Well, let me show you. All you need is a huge piece of cardboard like this. Make sure it fits both rails. Watch what I do next. There you go. We've got all the holes perfectly lined up. And just like that, we have the template to create our holes. It turns out the rails are a little bit further apart, so we have to make some adjustments. You guys are not gonna believe this. Everything lines up perfect. Like, this is me not doing anything. Look at that. Oh my God. Where'd you go? Show them the controller. 3, 2, 1. Sheesh! Have you ever seen a bucket seat do that?
Yeah, in cars starting in 2020.
What? I said a bucket seat.
Oh.
What a hater. I literally did all of this for that type of reaction. That's crazy, huh? All right, give me a better reaction. Have you ever seen a bucket seat do
Wow!
that?
That's freaking sick!
Women. Hop on in, buddy.
Yeah, nothing's hella tight. Where's the button?
Grab that.
Hey! Move. Isn't it faster to have sliders?
Yeah. Look at this. Look how far it goes forward. Success. Now that the passenger seat is done, let's get to work on removing the driver's seat. Test out the new seats.
All right. Ooh, these seats are nice.
We're recording here, huh?
That's me and I.
Hey, try the new seats out.
Oh, these are nice.
But check it out. Look at that switch right there.
What's this?
Look at that switch.
Dejectocito? What the? Nah. Wait, are these the stock brackets with the bride seat?
Yes, sir. How'd you know?
Wait, does it go lean forward or not?
No.
Oh, that's alright. That's fine. No, these are sick.
Thanks, bro. Look at this. I even mounted them on the side.
What?
Pretty dope, huh?
Not sick.
Thanks.
Well, how hard was it?
How hard was it, everybody?
Oh, I didn't watch the video. Oh. Not yet.
Good morning, everybody. Marketplace Demon is back working on God knows what. What you working on?
Nothing.
See, even he don't know.
God don't know, I don't know.
Pass smog yet?
No.
All right, guys, let me catch you guys up on what we've done so far. Are you ready? This side is done as well. And how did we mount this, you might ask? Some 3M tape. Believe it or not, that thing can hold up to 30 pounds. This thing is literally going nowhere. And just like that, the motorized bride seats are complete. These turned out way better than I expected. And we actually made it look so clean. Look at how everything lines up.
I think sliders are faster.
Of course. But for the price point, I only spent 60 bucks on the brackets. The bride rails are around like $500 and they're usually not in stock in America. So not only do you have to pay $500, you have to wait for shipping from Japan. Here, we only spent 60 bucks and the bride seats move forward and backwards.
Slowly. Nicely.
What do you guys think? Is it worth it for 60 bucks? Let me know in the comments below.
Reclining next?
I forgot to show you guys. The seats actually recline as well. Check this out. But hold on. We're actually gonna take these seat installs to the next level. Guess what? Tell them what we're doing, Kenny.
Seat warmers.
Not only did they come with motorized rails, you see these buttons right here? They also have seat warmers. You ready? Always ready. We're gonna start the operation. You see these harnesses right here? I'm assuming the seat warmer is connected to this. So, I see something. There you go. That's it right there. It's crazy, bro. We actually might be able to do this. You think we could pull this off?
Yeah, easy.
Ah! Oh, that's the airbag. See it?
Move that shit over too.
Bro, we crashed drifting and we have the airbag like, Here's the side airbag. Chat, comment down below. Should we move this and put this in the bride's seat?
The fucking bright seat explodes.
There you go. That's it. And right under this one, there it is. The one for my butt. If we can actually pull this off and get these somehow into the bride's seat and make them work. Look, oh my God, look. Look at the padding. Bro, the padding is the same size. This is literally gonna be perfect. Let's see if we can even take this thing apart. Please open all the way. Bro, this is crazy. So literally all we have to do is put this in here and it's gonna work. This is the back piece, it's 2 pieces. Dude, if you have a 370Z or a car with motorized seat rails, this might work for you. Look at that. Oh my God, let's put these in. Let's see how clean we can do this. There you go, guys. Just like that. Harnesses in, seat warmers installed in the pad perfectly.
Nice and toasty.
Dude, that's fire. Look at that. This is crazy. There you go. Toss this sucker in like so. There you go. Should I press it?
Go ahead.
It works. It's getting hot. Oh my God. That was literally the easiest seat warmer motorized bride seat install I've ever done. This is crazy. For those rainy day drift events now, we could literally just turn this on. Oh my God. This is so freaking sick. Okay, it's kind of hot now.
You smell that?
Wait, why does it smell like Korean barbecue?
You're getting more brown. Oh, that was hella warm. It's kind of hot. It's hella hot.
Success?
Success. Easy peasy.
We also have 2 settings, a low and a high. Fire! Up next, I went ahead and extended this. We didn't have to because it worked, but we already went ahead and made this setup so clean. I want to hide as much of the harness as possible. Done. No more harness anywhere. There you go. Another one is in. Time for this to go in as well.
It's so warm.
It's warm?
I feel great.
How's the seat warmer?
It's so cozy.
Cozy, huh?
It's so warm. I can't believe you didn't have to cut the seats. This is fire.
We're officially done. We're gonna hide everything right in here. Don't tell anyone. Okay? Oh, there you go. That's much better. The moment of truth. All right. You ready?
Sit down.
Yeah. All right. Now we wait. Oh my God. This feels so good, guys. It's so cold here right now. This thing is setting itself up to be a super sick drift car. All right, guys. I'm loving the seat warmers. It's cold as hell in San Jose right now. And having the seat warmers on while cruising at night, I didn't realize how much I'd love it. How do you like yours?
I'm cozy.
Makes cruising at night just that much better. Well guys, that's a wrap. If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, do me a favor, go subscribe and stay tuned for some more 370Z drift content. If you don't subscribe, you'll have bad luck for all of 2026.